What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Fortnite 2024 free, fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do guys, just open your browser and type Epic Games login and click this first site and log in on your Epic Games. When you log in on your Epic Games you will see like me this. In this first section you will see account settings. Go here and you will see also display name. Click this and choose your new name. Also I leave you this link in description of video. Choose your new name in Fortnite. Also use my sites in item shop and check this and go confirm. And you will see message display name update successful. Go back your new Fortnite game, relog in Fortnite. When you're back in Fortnite like me you will see your new name like me. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button. I see you in next video. Also use my sites and item shop for buying and support me. I see you in next video. Bye guys.